Hi, welcome all of you. Namo Buddhaya. The Supreme Buddha. Lesson 1. Buddhism is the teaching of the Buddha. He was the wise teacher. Lord Buddha teaches us the way to get rid of sorrow and pain and live a comforted life. Look at the face of the Supreme Buddha. See the calmness of the face. It's very beautiful. It doesn't show too much grief. It doesn't show too much happiness. The Supreme Buddha was always with half closed eyes. It reflects the kind heart of Buddha. It's like this. Imagine that when you kiss your little sister or brother, your eyes automatically close. Also, when you smile, your eyes become narrow. It shows your love. The Supreme Buddha always had compassion for the human beings. That's why the eyes were like this. The soft white hair that curls to the right between Lord Buddha's eyebrows are known as Urna Roma relic. Now look at this Buddha statue. Half closed eyes looking into a short distance. Lips full of a slight smile. Long earlobes. Curly hair. The face of the Lord Buddha reflects a love, kindness, and compassion for the suffering people. That means us, because we are always suffering from sickness, aging, death, and rebirth. Upturned palms placed right hand over the left hand on his lap. Buddha sits cross-legged, right leg over the left leg. This is the posture in which the Supreme Buddha was at the time of his enlightenment. This style is found in many Buddha statues all over the world. This song is about the love and kindness of Lord Buddha. The half-closed eyes of the Buddha show the love and kindness for the people. By this song, the qualities of Supreme Buddha are deeply felt in our hearts. Lord Buddha teaches us the way to get rid of sorrow and pain and live a comforted life. Also, the music helps to spread the idea, helps to create the idea more powerful with the song. You can enjoy the music as well as lyrics from the way the singers sing it. We can really feel the great kindness of Buddha. Buddha is the only person in the world who has that great kindness among each and every one. This song is sung by the great Sri Lankan singer, late Mr. W.D. Amaradeva, and the lyrics are written by Mr. W.A. Abesinghe. Now, let us enjoy the song.
Advannu Denetin Galana Mit Mudita Karuna Dara Advannu Denetin Galana Mit Mudita Karuna Dara Tema tema adgala galayan loturgun mahime mahameuna uyane samadhi buddhu pilime Advannu denetin kalana mit mudita karuna dara Piritiriyan mahawaturak se gala helin Sihilal Gangulak se Gimanniva Lanme Pavakatare Nivan Sadalan බුදු ගුණ බහිමේ මහමෙවුනා උයනේ සමාධි බුදු පිළිමේ අදවන්නු දෙනෙතින් කලනා මෙත් මුදිතා කරුණා දාරා අදවන්නු දෙනෙතින් කලනා මෙත් මුදිතා කරුණා දාරා.
From today, when you offer flowers to the Supreme Buddha, keep these things in your mind. Your mind should be calm from the time of picking flowers. How do we calm the mind? Remember the kindness on the face of the Supreme Buddha. Remember that the Supreme Buddha, who helps everyone, also helps me. Remember the good work you did. Keep that in mind and be happy and calm. Those who calmly worship the Supreme Buddha receives many merits. They do not get sick. Although you become ill, sickness heal quickly because you are constantly worshipping the Buddha with a pure heart. We used to go to temples and perform the pujas when we were sick, but the best thing is practicing to worship Buddha with a pure heart since childhood. Do not wait until you get old. Those who worship the Buddha with a pure heart improve their memory. Those who worship the Buddha with a pure heart will be able to succeed in education. This is because our memory is well developed so that we can quickly memorize what we are learning. There's no point in going to the temple just when there is an exam. If we worship the Buddha with a pure heart every day, our memory will improve and our education will definitely be successful. Let us worship the Buddha at home twice a day. How do we prepare for it? First of all, you must be clean yourself before worship the Buddha. Have a shower or wash yourself. Dress with proper clothes. At least wear a knee-length dress. Don't wear sleeveless ones. Don't wear shorts, short frocks or short skirts. The hair should be well combed and tied. Avoid going to worship the Buddha with loose hair. That's not nice. The area near the Buddha statue should be cleaned. Clean the surrounding as well. You can sweep before worshipping. Prepare fresh flowers with a clean flower tray. Filtered water. Filter tap water using a filter cloth. In the morning, you can offer the fruit plate. We call it Buddha Pujava, the very first quarter of food which we cook. Remember to pronounce the Gatha correctly. Know the meaning of the stanzas and recite them. If you recite it with understanding, you will get merits. When reciting the stanza, you have to keep your hands like this. Put your hands together first. Now put your hands on your forehead. Put both elbows on either sides. Now tilt your head down a bit. Keep your hands like this. This is how we worship. These are the types of methods worshipping the Buddha. While standing, pasanga පිහිටුවා වැඳීම, kneeling on both knees. Imagine the face of the Supreme Buddha. Now, Listen to this poem carefully.
සිත් සිරි දෙන මහගුණ මුහුදානන් සත්හට වන බව දුකට වේදානන් තිත් ගාන දුරු දුරලන දීනිදානන් සිත් සතෝසින් නම දිම්මුනිදානන්.
This is the meaning of this stanza. The Supreme Buddha has many virtues. That group of qualities is likened to the great ocean because the sea is endless. Through these qualities, the Supreme Buddha gives us peace and comfort. He helps us to get rid of grief for the samsara ills of beings. It's like a physician healing a patient. It's like the sun were disappearing the darkness of false beliefs. Therefore, I worship the Supreme Buddha with great pleasure. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye. Buddhu Saranai.